In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to download images from Google Docs. Let's begin. Downloading images from websites is a simple task, unless you try downloading an image from Google Docs. You won't find any download option when you right-click. So here's a nifty way through which you can download images from Google Docs. Open the Google Docs that has the image you wish to download on a computer browser. Select the image and right-click it to open the context menu. Now select the option Save to Keep. It will open a small Google Keep interface and your image will show up here. You can simply right-click the image in the right pane to download it. Another way to download an image from Google Docs is by publishing it to the web. Open the doc that has the image. Click on File in the menu bar at the top and Publish to the web. Click the Publish button in the pop-up. Please note that we would not recommend you use this method if your document has private and sensitive information. Open the generated link and download the image by right-clicking and saving it to your computer. After you're done, you can now stop publishing so that people don't get unauthorized access to the doc. Like and share the video if this trick helped you, and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tips and tricks like these. Also, don't forget to check out these videos we think you might like and enjoy. Signing off for now.